Okay, in AngularJS we have number of filters is there. Using these filters we can filter the data from collection of data. Using these filters we can display uppercase letters and lowercase letters and currency filters, numbers, date and order by, and filter and uppercase and lowercase. Okay, we have 9 types of filters is there in AngularJS. Filters are used to formatting data displayed to the user. So using these filters we can change the format of display data. Suppose if you want to display any string in uppercase, okay, use uppercase filter to display uppercase letters, uppercase strings. And if you want to display lowercase letters, you can use this lowercase filter. So the EngV module are used to transform template data before it is rendered within directives and expressions. So here in this in these filters we have to use EngV module value to filter the data. Okay, use it to transform template data before it is rendered. Here first filter is uppercase and lowercase filters. Okay, uppercase converts string to uppercase and lowercase converts string to lowercase. So here so here I'm doing one example. Here span is there, span, ng bind. Otherwise you can use here expressions. Expressions means double quotes, double bracket. Here one scope variable is there, like first name. Okay, first name. So in this example I'm applying first name value from controller equal to AngularJS. So here if you run this example, AngularJS string is displayed here. So if you want to display in uppercase, okay, AngularJS value. So here first I'm displaying AngularJS. AngularJS is the single small letters, okay, lower letters. You can filter this as, for these filters we have to use pipe character to apply the filter. Okay, in scope variable take here one pipe character and give what filter we are using you can apply here. Okay, uppercase. Okay, I'm here using uppercase filter. so it will display in uppercase characters. Okay, just modified here in scope variable. Okay, in expression, for this all filters we have to use okay pipe character and applied here uppercase and lowercase or currency, okay, or date format, anything we have to give here. So here next lowercase letters, scope equal scope dot last name equal to okay javascript is in capital letters. So if you want to display this capital letters in small letters, use here lowercase filter. Okay, lname colon lowercase. So here javascript will display in lowercase letters. Okay, here. So like that you can use uppercase and lowercase okay filters in real time. Also the filters are very important. Sometimes if you want to display uppercase letters or lowercase letters, use these filters. Just simple code. Okay, you have to use pipe character to apply the filter. And here currency filter. Using currency filter we can display the currency format like Indian rupee format or US dollar format. You can display before the amount. Okay, suppose the example for Indian rupee we have to use Indian rupee format like there is no that symbol in keyboard. So for US format you have to use dollar symbol, okay, and $100. So like this we can display the format for currency. If you give the amount, it will display with the currency symbol also. By using this currency for filter, by default currency filter takes US dollar symbol. If you want to display other country formats, okay, you have to give like the format here. You can search in Google and put here. Okay, this is India dollar rupee format. Okay, this is India rupee format. If you want to display any other country format, search in Google and apply here this format. So in this example, span applying here my amount. Okay, my amount scope variable. Currency filter from scope variable, applying here my amount equal to 286. If you run this as this, it will display normal okay amount. So if you want to display with the format also, you have to use pipe character and currency. Okay, here currency dollar symbol and currency also applied here. So by default currency filter takes US dollar symbol, and if you want to display Indian format you can use this format here. Okay, like this it will display the Indian format. If you want to display another country formats you can search in Google. So just we are using pipe character. Okay, pipe character and currency filter. So in this example I have taken one text box. Okay, one text box, and that is quality, and the second text box is price. Okay, quality text box and price text box. These two are multiplication. Okay, and display total in currency format. So here quality text box in controller take quality and price values. So it is displaying here for price applied here currency format. Okay, for total displayed here in dollars Indian rupee format. You can remove this. Okay, 9.99 into 1 display 9.99. Okay, you can use this up arrow and down arrow to modify the value. Okay, it will display like this. Okay, you can do the like a currency examples like this. And number format, using this number format it will display um, okay, format a number as text. If the input is null or undefined it will just the returned. If the input is infinite the infinite symbol is returned. Okay, infinite symbol is returned. If the input is not a number an empty string is returned. So that if number is okay, default format is displayed like a number format. If any fractions is there in our number it will display uh, only without fractions, and if negative numbers is there display negative numbers like we have to take here minus symbol and display how many digits you want here. Okay, we have to apply here. So here use this example code here. in controller given value here 1, 2, 3, 4.56789. Okay, number filter, you can see the output here. So I have default number here. I have given this value from controller. Okay, and default format string is, if you want to display with the commas, okay, uh, give here directly value and number filter, where it will display like with the commas. Okay, and without you want to display without fractions, you can give the number format like, okay, pipe character and space number filter. Okay, number filter colon 0. If you give colon 0, it will display without fractions. Okay, there is no point values. Okay, without point values it will display. And here negative numbers, if you want to display negative numbers, give here minus symbol. Okay, a minus symbol value and a pipe character number filter colon 4. If you give the number colon 4 any value colon 4 or 0, if you give the 0 without display, okay, without, it will not display fractions point values. If you give any value 1 or 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6, it will display after point. Okay, after point numbers is displayed here. So in no fractions example given here 2, so it will display numbers, two values after point variable point. Okay, after point display 2 digits. Okay, so that here given 0. Okay, without point values display total value. So see here, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 value. See here 1, 2, 3, 5 there. So from 5 it will accept next value here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 4 is not there and 5 displayed here. Okay, round figure displayed here. Round figure. If here value is 4 in 5 place, if value is there, it will display, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 5 onwards it will display like okay, round figure value. So like this you can display the number formats, okay, with the digits, okay, without digits. uh, okay, in this example display with commas here without point values, and here with point values and negative numbers. So these three types of number formats is there. And date format, using this date format we can display what type of date format is you want to display, like month date year, or date month year, or year month date, like that we can display. okay, date format. If you want to get the full date from current date, okay, you can use full date sim format. If you want to display only year, you can display using this date filter. So this formats date used to string based on the request format. So in this example, in this link, we have number of date formats is there. You can go to through this link. So here we have a number of formats is there about the date. Okay, date filter. One more thing, this is the AngularJS documentation from website. You can learn any remaining concepts from this website. Okay, docs.angularjs.org. Okay, this is the AngularJS documentation, but there is no examples, only explanation is there. What is the directives, what are the functions is there. Okay, what is this function, just only explanation is there. Some examples also is there, but that examples are not working perfectly. Okay, you can use this docs.angularjs.org website to read the content about AngularJS. Okay, see this in example. Here displaying default date filter and full date filter, and only displaying here year only, and custom date filter also is there. uh, yes, see this example code. Take an initial value my date, okay, using ng init directive. Here initialized my date variable. In this example, taken one date 2014 10/19, okay, October 19 2014. So it will display default date format is, okay, default date. You can use my date, okay, pipe character and date filter. So if you give here normal date filter, it will display like October 19 2014, okay, with month name it will display, okay, default date. If you want to display full date filter, okay, full date, like what is that day also, okay, 19, what is the day in 19, so that day also displayed here. Okay, Sunday or Monday, you can display using this full date format. Date colon single quotes full date. If you use this format, it will display like, okay, day, like 19 is the Sunday in October, November, October 2014. Okay, here 19 Sunday, so Sunday October 19 2014. And next, year only filter. If you want to display only year from this date, use date colon single quotes year. Okay, if you use here 4 Ys, it will display to full year. If you use this only 2 Ys, it will display only 2 zeros year, like 14. Okay, only 14 is display here. So use here for Ys to display full year. And next, custom date filter is you can give what type of date format if you want to display. Like this, we can give the format. Okay, date format, date filter in double quotes. Okay, in double quotes, year. Okay, year is 4 Ys and month 3 Ms is if you give 3 Ms, it will display month name. Okay, like October OCT. If you give here only 2 Ms, it will display 10 October. Okay, what is the month here? October 10 and day triple E. Triple E means display Sunday. So here I am removing one M here. It will display like 19 and like 10. Monday, year 2014, month 10, day Sunday. Okay, like this we can display custom format also. You can put any order. Okay, here you can place this day in front of year and month and year. Okay, these are the date filters. And next, order by. Suppose you are displaying some data from database. Okay, if you want to display some order by data, okay, use this order by filter to display the order by. Okay, suppose we have four in this example. 4 employees is there. Okay, first name and last name. 4 employees is there. From this 4 employees, uh, display order by. Order by means here I have given order by first name. If you give the order by first name, it will display like what is the first letter will come here in alphabetical. Okay, H is the first, N, P, N, R, S. Okay, in this format will display here. Order is specified array by the expression predicate. It is ordered alphabetically. Okay, it will display the alphabetically for strings and numerically for numbers also. So here I'm removing this and controller also, and here declared only ng init, using ng init. And taken here table format in body. Okay, order by filter. So it will display like order by first name. So here taken one table. Okay, head section taken column names, first name and last name. In body tag used here ng repeat. Okay, using ng repeat directive you are displaying number of records. Person in persons. Okay, this person's scope variable. From this person's scope variable taken every time one single value, single row, and displayed here. So here given a filter. Okay, pipe character and order by. We are giving order by. Okay, order by filter colon first name. By using first name column. Okay, first name column, it will display order by first name. And second filter is we can search the names from all these names. Okay, using here taken one text box. Okay, this is another filter. Okay, normal filter. Using this filter we can search the name from number of these names. Okay, filter given here search text. This search text is here ng model search text in text box. Okay, whatever you have typed in this text box. Okay, filter from all these from these four employees. Order by. So here displayed order by first H and P R S. Okay, this is the order. So in this search text box we can search from all these names. Okay, so I need some name from number of okay, all these rows like Rajesh. Okay, you can search here. So in real time you have a lot of information is there, okay, about employees. So you can filter like using this filter okay, filter search filter. Okay, like this you can filter. Okay, you have to use like this hardware filter and filter. So filter select a subset of items from array and returns it as a new array. So using this search filter already here explained here, this filter. Okay, this filter you can search whatever you want from all this data. Okay, here you have to use ng model variable, and here filter colon take that filter scope value here. Okay, scope variable here. So that using this filter we can filter the data from number of rows. And next angular dot uppercase and angular dot lowercase. Already uppercase and lowercase filters is there. So these are the uppercase method and uppercase method and lowercase methods in AngularJS. Okay, these are the predefined methods. Okay, uppercase and lowercase. In previous example, lowercase and uppercase applied only pipe character and upper filter and lower filter. Okay, in this example, applying from controller. Okay, using lowercase method and uppercase method. Okay, we don't need to take here uppercase and lowercase. Let's use this method uppercase fname angular dot fname. These are the predefined functions, uppercase and lowercase. AngularJS and JavaScript is the uppercase. JavaScript, your last name. It will display in this is the lowercase method. So uppercase and lowercase methods. So using this uppercase and lowercase methods, also we can apply uppercase or lowercase filter. Okay, these are the filters in AngularJS, and next Monday I will explain one important concepts. Okay, using JSON format, how to display data from JSON file. Okay, and Ajax calls also I will explain tomorrow.